Hey everybody, welcome back to the show. Welcome back to BOOZHOO, Nana BOOZHOO podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Nana BOOZHOO, and this right here, this is Natasha.
And the road is closed, still the cars pull in. Now the day is young, so we begin again. And I shut my eyes to what might be a cool recess beneath these old pine trees. I don't remember where I've been. My past dissipates like snow on skin. It's cold outside, let me in. Our past dissipates like snow on skin. Snow on skin.
In keeping with the theme of the week,
What's that?
we're gonna do one Anishinaabe grandfather teaching word a day, and today it's bravery. Aqua de Ewin. Bravery. Aqua de Ewin. And you know, to live in this world in a good way, to walk the red road, it takes gitchi. Aqua de Ewin. It takes great bravery. You know, to stand up when you know when something's right, even though it's not popular. It takes bravery. To you know, to risk having your friends turn against you because they don't agree with you, but you know what you're saying is true. It takes aqua de Ewin. Bravery. I don't know. Now I'm just kind of talking stupid. All right. Well, hey, I've got enough bravery to get out when I know I got nothing funny to say.
And I know it never once crossed your mind, but you left me down in the dirt, and I was so far behind. But I've come so far, and I've run so fast. How long do we have? How long can we last? I don't remember where I've been. My past dissipates like snow on skin. It's cold outside, let me in. Our past dissipates like snow on skin. Snow on
Oh, that's really pretty, sweetie. Hey, welcome back to the show. Welcome back to BOOZHOO, Nana BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Natasha. I am Nana BOOZHOO, and this is Natasha.
from where see. Nothing's meant to last, but I can't move forward, and I'm living in the past. But I've come so far, and I've run so fast. How long do I have? How long can I last? I don't remember where I've been. My past dissipates like snow on skin, and it's cold outside. Let me in. Our past dissipates like snow on skin. Snow on and on and on and on again and again, my friend, the end.
And you have been watching BOOZHOO Nana BOOZHOO. BOOZHOO Nij Anishinaabe Doog. BOOZHOO. Hello, my fellow Anishinaabe. And today's Ojibwe word of the day. I was thinking Sabbe, Bigfoot. And I was I was thinking about Bigfoot the other day. I once had these 3 dreams of Bigfoot. So I didn't know what they meant. So I went to my elder and I was like, "Hey, Jumbo, I had these dreams," and I explained the dreams to him, right? and he goes, "Oh yeah, Bigfoot is he's a spirit, and it's very rare that he lets anybody see him, even in a dream. So here's what I want you to do. You're gonna go on a vision quest." And that's a whole nother story. But Sabbe, Bigfoot. And people forever have been discussing, oh, is he real? But in the Ojibwe way, the Anishinaabe, they used to say he represented one of the grandfather teachings. Sabbe represents honesty. I always thought that was sort of interesting. But yeah, Sabbe, Bigfoot. And that is our Ojibwe word of the day. Let's see, what else can I say about that? You know what? I saw a kind of a cool poem about the 7 grandfather teachings. You want to hear it? Yeah. All right. Let me see if I can find it on the internet for a second. All right, there it is. This is the 7 grandfather teachings poem. You want to read it for the folks, sweetie? Yeah, sure. 7 grandfather teachings. To cherish. Let me start over. Do you wanna teach that to the kids? Yeah, sure, I'll do that. The 7 grandfather teachings poem. To cherish knowledge is to know wisdom. To know love is to know peace. To honor all of creation is to have respect. Bravery is to face the foe with integrity. Honesty in facing a situation is to be brave. Humility is to know yourself as a sacred part of creation. Truth is to know all of these things. And this has been the 7 grandfather teachings. Back to you, Nana BOOZHOO.
Levon wears his war wound like a crown. He calls his child Jesus because he likes the name, and he sends him to the finest school in town. Levon likes his money. His family business thrives. Jesus blows up balloons all day. He sits on the porch swing watching them fly. He was born a pauper to a pawn on a Christmas day, when the New York Times said God is dead and the war's begun. Alvin Tostin had a son today, and it shall be a Levon, and it shall be a good man, and it shall be a Levon, in tradition with a family plan. And it shall be a Levon, and it shall be a good man. He shall be Levon. Oh.
Take two. So please welcome Nana BOOZHOO. Ah. Ah. Bum. Why don't you get us started? Welcome back to BOOZHOO, Nana BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Natasha, and this right here, this is Nana BOOZHOO. So please welcome Nana BOOZHOO. Take it away, sweetie. Hey, everybody. BOOZHOO Gakina. Hello, everybody. And, welcome back to the show. And so, today, I thought it'd be a good idea. Let's talk about the Mushkikiwan, the medicines. Oh, that's a good idea. Yeah, I thought you'd like that. And so, in the Ojibwe way, there are 4 medicines. Niwin, Mushkikiwan, 4 medicines. You got your, your sage, Bushkode Jibik, and then you smudge down with the sage, Nukwejikan, and then there's tobacco. You got your asema, and you put that in the upwagan. You put that in your pipe. And then what else is there? There's sweetgrass. We got Wingushk. That's sweetgrass. And then finally, what am I forgetting? Gijik, cedar. Oh yeah, Gijik, cedar. So there are your 4 medicines. You got cedar, sweetgrass, tobacco, and asema. And so right to the point. No little frills, no whatever. So let's I don't know. Do you have anything you want to add to this? Not really. All right. Well, let's call it a show. Thank you for watching. BOOZHOO. Why don't you do it, sweetie? You're so much cuter than I am. Get out of here. Well, thank you for watching BOOZHOO, Nana BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Natasha, and this is Nana BOOZHOO, and I will see you again. Gigawapa min, minawa, hawa. Baby, we can talk all night, but that ain't getting us nowhere. The snow is really piling up outside. I wish you wouldn't make me leave here.
Welcome to BOOZHOO, Nana BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I'm happy to be here with you today to speak Ojibwe and learn about the language and culture.
Everybody, welcome back to the show. Welcome back to BOOZHOO, Nana BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Natasha, and over there is, of course, Michael Lyons. How you doing, Michael?
Oh, I'm doing great. How are you, Natasha?
Oh, I'm fine, just great. Welcome to BOOZHOO, Nana BOOZHOO. Oh, I said welcome to BOOZHOO, Nana BOOZHOO. Wow. Name and Wyndham, G-A-I, Hanumanungu.
Then I was thinking about my grandpa, And when I was a little guy, I'd get up just early in the morning, right? It'd be like 4:30 or 5, and I slept downstairs, and I was in the top bunk, so I could hear when my grandpa would get up, I'd hear him walking around there, and so I go up there and talk to my grandpa, and he'd be up having coffee, looking out the window out at the lake there, and so he's like, "Oh, hey, here comes a 6-year-old. I better get him a cup of coffee." And so he'd give me a cup of coffee, put a whole bunch of milk and sugar in there and that. And this one morning he gets up and he goes, "Hey, you know what? I can talk to the birds." I'm like, "Get out of here, Grandpa. You and your stories. And so then he goes, no, it's true. He goes, watch this. Oh, I should start over. So he's up there one morning and he's filling up the hummingbird feeder.
Uh-huh.
Hummingbird, Nenu Kase.
Nenu kasi.
And he goes, you know what? I can talk to the birds. I am the king of the birds. I tell them what to do and they do what I say.
Oh,
I'm like, get out of here, Grandpa. He goes, no, watch this. And he goes out to hang up that bird feeder. And he goes, come and eat, hummingbird. I'm like, yeah, whatever. And sure enough, here comes a hummingbird. He just flies around the corner. And for just a second, he stops. And he looks at my grandpa. And then he goes and he starts eating.
ah, jeez.
Come and eat, hummingbird. I was just impressed. It took a while, but then I realized, oh, you know what? My grandma has the ability to talk to dogs. She'd be like, come and eat, puppy, and sure enough.
Oh, jeez.
Anyway, come and eat. Umbe, dash wisanin. And
Bang.
eat, umbe, dash, and wisanin, eat. Enu kasi, hummingbird. Alright, well this has been Ojibwe Phrase of the Day.
Oh, that's a good start.
Oh, thank you, sweetie.
I mean, she just went on and on. I was like, calm down. You know, sometimes things just don't turn out the way you want them to be. That's just the way life is. And besides, it's just pancakes.
Oh, hey, BOOZHOO! Welcome back to BOOZHOO, Nana BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. And today we're reading a very special book. This book is called BOOZHOO, a Jidamu, and it's written by Michael Lyons. And we're gonna read it. And if you want to order it, you can click the link. So how do you want to do this?
Oh, I don't know. How about you read Ajitamu and I'll read everything else?
All right, that sounds pretty good. All right, BOOZHOO, a Jidamu by Michael Lyons. BOOZHOO, a Jidamu. There's the sunrise there. All right, so you go ahead. I'll read Ajitamu and you read Jesus.
BOOZHOO, Ajitamu.
BOOZHOO, Jesus.
BOOZHOO, Ajitamu.
BOOZHOO, Giji Giji Ganashin. Giji Giji Ganashin. Chickadee.
BOOZHOO, Ajitamu.
BOOZHOO, Mamengwa. Mamengwa, that's a butterfly. BOOZHOO, Esiban. BOOZHOO, Esiban. Esiban, a raccoon, and he's sleeping.
Huh? Oh, BOOZHOO, Ajitamu.
Eh, eh.
BOOZHOO, Ajitamu.
BOOZHOO, Andeg. The crow. Andeg.
BOOZHOO, Ajita.
Oh, wow, look at that. There's a flying saucer. Big-ka! It says, wait, big-ka! The hummingbird is flying after us, flying saucer. And a Jidamu says, oh, wow! There's an alien and he's... you go ahead, read the alien.
BOOZHOO, Niji.
Aha!
BOOZHOO. BOOZHOO, Nenukasi, Indigenous. Nenukasi, Nenukasi, hummingbird is my name.
BOOZHOO, a Jidamu, indigenous gods. A Jidamu is my name.
Stephen, Indigenous. Stephen is my name. Majeda, let's go.
Jidamu's thinking about it. I don't think hummingbird is too wild about the idea. Oh, he's saying, Majada, let's go. And the hummingbird, he says, oh, you...
Ajitamu, Gecko! Ajitamu, no! Or don't. Ajitamu, don't.
Ajitamu says, Igawabamin, Minawa. I'll see you later. Or I'll see you again. Oh, now they're flying out in space. Igawabamin, Aki. I'll see you, Earth. Goes by the moon. Igawabamin, Ibik, Jesus. Ibik, Jesus. The moon. And he says, oh, really out there? And then he swings around. Oh, he's coming back. He says, BOOZHOO, Ibik, Jesus. Hello, moon. Hello, night sun. BOOZHOO, Ibik, Jesus. And he sees the earth and he says, BOOZHOO, Aki. BOOZHOO, Aki. Hello, earth. Oh, and now he's being teleported. And Ajitamu says, oh, miigwech. Thank you. Oh, miigwech. Oh is like, oh, really? Thank you. Thank you very much. He says, Igawabamin, Stephen. I'll see you, Stephen. Stephen waves back and he says, Igawabamin, Ajitamu. Igawabamin, Ajitamu. I'll see you, squirrel. And there's a flying saucer, and Ajitamu says, oh, he just had a big trip. There you have it. BOOZHOO, Ajitamu by Michael Lyons. I don't know, what'd you think of that?
I thought it was pretty good.
Yeah, me too. Michael Lyons, he sure knows how to draw a picture. Alright, well, hey, I just want to say thank you for watching BOOZHOO, Ajitamu. And if you want to order a copy, just click the link on sale on Amazon.com. Alright, you got anything you want to add to this, sweetie?
Nah.
Okay, well, hey, in that case, I will see you again. Igawabamin, Minawa, Hoa. Alright, and today, our Ojibwe word of the day. I was thinking, I got a prop today. See that? That's a wigwas on a gun. Wigwas on a gun. That's a birch bark basket, and you can put some stuff in there. You can put some change, or you can put your car keys. Anyway, wigwas is birch bark, and then on a gun is like a basket you make out of birch bark. And so together you say wigwas on a gun, birch bark basket. All right. And I don't know. What can be said about birch bark? You got anything you want to add here?
Not really. Do you want to tell them to sign up for Patreon?
Oh yeah. Oh, you know what? I do have news. Hey everybody. We're gonna be on the radio.
Oh yeah, I forgot.
Yeah. KAXE out of Bemidji. We're gonna start doing a Ojibwe word of the day every day, I think.
Yeah, so tune in to KAXE for BOOZHOO, not a BOOZHOO.
Yeah. All right. Well, yeah, I think we've taken enough. All right. I will see you again. Igawabamin, Minowa. Oh. What a weird episode.
Yeah, I know, but who cares?
And you have been watching BOOZHOO, Nano BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Nano BOOZHOO, and this is Natasha, and I will see you again. Igawabamin, Minowa. Oh.